Selling digital products with Hostinger Website Builder is a simple process that allows you to offer downloadable files such as ebooks, music, software, or digital art directly to your customers. Here's how you can set up your store. Log into your Hostinger account. Go to Hostinger's website, log in and open your website builder. Create or select your website. Choose the website you want to sell digital products on, then click Edit Website. Add an e-commerce section. In the editor, go to the Add section option and select Store or e-commerce. If your website is not yet set up for e-commerce, you can select a pre-made e-commerce template. Add digital products. Navigate to the Store section and click Add Product. Fill in the product details and upload the digital file under the product options. Set payment methods. Configure payment options such as credit cards, PayPal, or other methods in the payment settings. Publish your store. Once everything is set up, click Save and Publish to make your digital products available for sale.